Hello! This is Shoyan, a Japanese carpenter. This time, I'd like to make an easy and simple shaped TV stand made of ash. First, rough cut the lumber. The material is a 30mm thick piece of laminated ash. Ash wood is hard. It has a strong characteristic and it smells. But it's a material that becomes very beautiful when painted. Rip it into small pieces with a circular saw and adjust the dimensions by the planer. Now, the material has been milled to the correct dimensions. I'm paying extra attention to any warp in the laminated wood. Even laminated wood has warp sometimes. Orient the direction of the warp so that the top board warps upward and the bottom board warps downward. That way, when viewed from the front, it fits together and looks flat. When cutting the lengths, try not to cut on the joint of the laminated wood as much as possible. If I cut it on the joint, horizontal streaks can be seen from the cut end. Since each part has been cut, I'll sand it. This material has a hard surface, so it's difficult to sand and takes longer than other materials. For the cut-in, align two pieces and sand it. It will remove the roughness and the length will stay the same. If the material is hardwood, chamfer a little bit more than usual. If it's just chamfered a bit, there's a risk of hurting yourself on the sharp corner. I don't want the top board to have a rounded corner, but chamfer the corner enough to avoid injury. Now assemble it. It's a simple shape with only two vertical boards standing between the top board and the bottom board. Screw from the top board and hide it with a plug called tarusen. The position of the vertical material will be decided according to the actual size. Make a pilot hole. When putting a hardwood timber together like this, pass the pilot hole to the timber below. Make a hole deeper than usual. This material is difficult to screw into. The hardness of the wood actually works to push the pieces apart rather than draw them together. So hold it down and then screw it down 2 or 3 times. Also, assemble the bottom board on the back side. Instead of marking the bottom board, check for a square at the site and decide the position. If I check with a square scale that the length and the width are at a right angle, the shape will be decided neatly without any twisting. The screw on the backside can't be seen, but since the material is a hardwood, I'll make a small hole only in the head part to screw with the drill. Make the plugs called tarusen. I'll make tarusen from parts other than the joints portion of the same laminated wood of ash. Put a little glue in the hole and gently tap the tarusen down into the hole. Place the tarusen according to the direction of the wood grain. The name of the tarusen comes from a similar shape of the plug of sakadaru. Sand the end of the tarusen neatly. Attach the legs on the back side. I'd like to attach the legs slightly inward from the vertical boards and move it to the back. Attach the legs directly to the bottom board with long screws. The reason why I attached the legs to the back is because I wanted to make them less noticeable. Even if I attach it to the back, the TV will be placed on the back. It will never fall over to the front. It will be balanced. Apply the finishing oil. The material is gloss clear oil, which is a little sticky. It's a kind of material that is a little hard to apply, but apply it neatly and then wipe it off with a towel and polish it. I realized again this time that I'm not good at painting after watching this. I don't know what to say about my 100 yen brush. Then wipe it off with a cloth. Even if I'm not good at applying it, if I polish it well, it'll be beautifully finished. The beautiful wood grain figurine really shines. Now I've finished making an easy and simple shaped TV stand. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.